Login loop error on Fidelity Investments Fix. Getting stuck in a login loop on Fidelity Investments can be incredibly frustrating. You type in your username and password, hit sign in, and instead of entering your account, it just refreshes or throws you back to the same login page. Most people assume it's a bug, but the real cause might surprise you. It's almost always a browser security or cache issue. Here's how to fix it step by step. If you're logging in through a web browser, start by clearing your cookies and cached data. Fidelity's site stores encrypted session information, and when that data gets outdated or corrupted, it can trap you in a never-ending login cycle. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely and reopen it. Next, try logging in through a private or incognito window. This bypasses stored cookies and lets you start a fresh session. If you can log in successfully this way, the problem is confirmed your browser's stored data was interfering with the session. If you're using a password manager or autofill feature, disable it temporarily and type your credentials manually. Some password managers can insert hidden characters or outdated tokens that Fidelity servers reject silently, causing the loop. For mobile users, open the Fidelity app, go to your phone settings, and clear up cache and storage. Then restart the app and sign in again. One more thing to check: if you're using a VPN, firewall, or ad blocking extension, disable them temporarily. Fidelity's security systems are extremely strict and can block login attempts that appear to come from unfamiliar locations or mask tips. After following these steps, log in again. If it still loops, reset your password using the Forgot Password option to refresh your authentication key. Key takeaway here: Fidelity isn't broken, it's protecting you. The login loop usually happens when cached data or security tools get in the way of authentication. Clear your data, use a private window, and disable extra extensions. Once you do, you log back in smoothly and get full access to your Fidelity Investments account again.